channel. Like 2 to 3 weeks ago, I asked you guys on my Instagram story that I have found slime at the flea market. I made a poll and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a video, and so many of you guys said yes. If you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, then go ahead, because this is what I post on my Instagram. I post so many behind the scenes stuff, and also on Snapchat. So if you guys want to go follow me there, then I'll leave everything right here so you guys can go follow me. So if you guys want to keep watching and want to see how like slime from the flea market feels, then go ahead and keep on watching. But if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and welcome to my channel. And if you guys want to like the video, then go ahead and like this video, not just emotionally. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe and turn on my post notifications. So yeah, let's get started. So every Sunday, or mostly every Sundays, me and my family love going to the flea market just to walk around and see what cool items they have. So while I was walking around, these two items caught my attention because they were super big, and they might not seem big on camera, but they were actually a pretty decent size of slime, or putty as you may call it. They like announced it as slime, so I got both of them. They had more colors, but I was like, let me test them out first and then come back if they're really good. So both of these were $5 each, and they had like blue, they had yellow and purple. So I decided to get the green and reddish pinkish kind of. So these do smell really nice. They smell like a fruity type of slime. I don't know how they do it. So these slimes do come with like glitter inside of them, and it looks really nice. They're like little silver glitters, and they're like micro glitters. And they were like not stretchy, but stretchy at the same time, if you like want to say it like that. And they really felt like, I don't know how to explain it, because they weren't like full putties, but they weren't like slimes at the same time. They were stretchy, but not that stretchy. You get what I mean? So they were really actually pretty decent. I really recommend these. For only $5, then you get like so many ounces of this. I think it was like 32 ounces. I think it was 32 ounces. It was somewhere around there. For $5, I think that's pretty cheap, you guys. And it smells really good. It has good bubble pops when you like start squeezing it, and super nice texture overall. As for the red one, I really like this one too. The only downside to this one was it wasn't that stretchy, but this one was the most clear. As you can see, it was like super clear, but the only downside was it wasn't stretchy. But I also like these because you can hold them with your hand. If you have like super hot or like warm hands, then I recommend these because it's super nice to hold them with one hand and just play with it. And it also had like super nice like bubble pops, and like when you poke it, did really loud noises. And I really like these overall. So overall, I really like these slimes. If you guys want to go buy them, then go to your local flea market. I'm sure they'll have some type of slime there. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you want to see like a part 2 of this video of me reviewing like slimes from the flea market, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe so I can know that you guys want to see a part 2. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.